today I'm doing my 2026 challenges and my 100 envelope challenges, binder, envelopes. um, Last time I was in here was the beginning of the year, and I changed it up because my goal was way too big for my income, because I'm on a fixed income, so it's gonna be tinies. And the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna, oh, where is it? Let me see if I can, it's over here. Oops. I have my numbers, because when I made this binder, I put 1 through 25 4 times. So my numbers are 1 through 25, but what I'm gonna do is whatever number I land on, I'm gonna finish that challenge today. And so I'm gonna do 3 because I'm behind. So I'm gonna mix them up, and I'm just gonna pick 3 out. So 1, 2, and 3. And I'm starting over, so first up, and let's see. First up is number 18. So I'm going to start with the first 18, which is Neen's Budget, the Netherlands, and I need $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6. So I'm going to put in a 5 and a 1. And let me see. And then I'm just going to mark them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's see. I'm just going to fold it. So $6 going into Neen's. And then next up is number 17, which is right here. And it's Cal from Omar Crafts and Budgets. And I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oops. Okay. So those 2 are done. And then number 2, which is from MS Mom Budgets and Never Stop Dreaming. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $10 going in. And this is how I'm doing my 100 envelopes. I think it'll work better. I hope. I think, because my goal, because the other way I would have, that goal was too big for my income. And then I'm going to put these into my other box. It's empty. Oops. And those are done. And then this back. And then I'm doing my 2026 challenges that I'm way behind on. And I set up a binder, but I need to go back and get the dashboards on some of these. But I'm in a, let's see. Let me see how much money I have left. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. I'm gonna just do one on these, and if I have more money, I'll come back. So one, and these are all $1. So this is for this one. And then your dreams will come true. You just can't give up, which is so true. So I'll put in, I'll do the brown. So $1. And then rain or shine, we are going to save. And these are from Norales Budgets. And I don't know where my blue is. Let's see. After this video, I need to find all my markers. Because I don't know where they are. I'll do yellow. I should be putting my paper. Some of these bleed through. So $1. And then next is $1 at a time. And here's my dollar. Okay. And I need to find her dashboard. I'm doing, this one's from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. And I'm going to put in 2. And just, so 1, 2. Oops. 1, 2. And then I love Beauty and the Beast. It's my favorite. So this one's Penny Pincher Budgets. And I'm going to do a 4 and 1 for 5. Oops. So $5. And then Dice Savings from Always Angela XOXO. And let's see. I'm gonna do my 3-sided die. I'm gonna do week 2 and 3. So 3. Or week 2, I mean. And then week 3 was 2 for $5. I'm gonna try to catch these up if I can. And then next is 2026 from Say With Judy. And I'm behind. Let's see. I'm going to put in 10. And 2. Oops. Okay, $10. So this one has 15. And hopefully I don't get a 6 on mine. Let's see. So I'm going to roll this paper in here. I'm going to roll my unicorn die. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. And this one's for me. Watch, it's in my Ko-fi. And then last up is Happy 2026. Save 120 in 2026 from Mindy's Budgeting. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to do a 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I have $1 left. I'm gonna put into 2026 savings. Yeah, I'll do a yellow flower. So $1, and that's all the money. And I think I'm gonna start saving the money for my tinies to put into these challenges in my 100 envelope. And hopefully I can start doing these every week. But that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.